Rufaida, Andrew mentioned transactions as one of the drivers for behavior in these different market regions. And we know that some of the world's best platforms have tried to make big plays in the payment space, but they've had different degrees of success. What role do you think payment services play in executing this very important platform strategy?
Thanks, Toby. Such a great question. And both Kent and Andrew have touched a little bit on payments. And I want to just take a step back, right? So if you peer into the cloud, I'm talking the digital ecosystem in the cloud, payments are not typically seen as a highly profitable payments platform service. In fact, we usually give them away. Don't panic, Chris. I think my point, and I sincerely believe that payments remain a critical success factor for any platform. They, Sangeet spoke a little bit to some of the Chinese or Asian and then American examples, but I would go so far as to say that payments remain this embedded plumbing within a platform that creates seamless customer experiences and engenders maximum customer retention with the opportunity for long-term customer value. Successful platforms, we've seen them, they start from a core product. It could be anything. It could be a ride-hailing service. It could be a messaging platform, an online auction house. But the trick to it is they quickly evolve it, adding content that keeps a client in that ecosystem for as long as possible, because the longer you're in there, the longer you are going to be valuable to the orchestrator of that platform. In China, for example, a huge market of mobile young digital natives, created the most powerful, competitive, and diverse marketplace platform led by the super apps, WeChat, Alipay. Sangeet's mentioned them. And the power of them, the likes of Facebook in the West have been observing with fascination, watching this evolution and trying to catch up, but still a long way to go. If you look at the Chinese market, therein lies the power of the payments experience. So the payment service creates this ultimate stickiness, platform stickiness that creates extra customer value. WeChat, Alipay embed a payments capability into the overall experience. It's so intuitive. There's a dedicated wallet combined with the seamless checkout experience, good dispute management. The end goal is it encourages the user in that ecosystem to leave value in that ecosystem for future use. In this way, an embedded payment becomes an indispensable component of any platform. Facebook, we know, tried to emulate it. Not very successfully. They looked at these Chinese super apps, try to go one better, not just an embedded payment capability, but an embedded payments currency, Libra, and then DM. And in the end, it was overreach massively, in my view. And for many reasons, including regulator concern and scrutiny, it failed. But the logic of the platform embedded payment capability reigns supreme. Facebook will have to try and build again Meta and will have to get it right for the success of Meta, I would go so far as to say. The $64 question is how? I'd watch this space. Coming closer to home, in Standard Bank, we are, I believe, well-placed and have a natural advantage to leverage this aspect of platforms. We ought to be able to create that stickiness with embedded payment capability and this diverse range of financial products and services, as well as a broader marketplace of services and products that would be attractive to users in our ecosystem. The trick for us, I think, will be getting our wallet strategy right. How can you enable a wallet that seamlessly, smoothly is available for any and every payment interaction and allows a client coming into our ecosystem to leverage it and to store forms of data, diverse forms of data in our ecosystem easily?
Indeed. I mean, what strikes me is how we've evolved from a wallet being something leather in your pocket or your bag to being software on your phone, right?
Exactly.
I don't carry a wallet anymore. All my credit cards, all my loyalty cards are digitized, and that's just one of the first steps of the process.